All right, Misha, what are we going to review today? Misha, speak. Sit. Speak. 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 Hey, do you like that projector? Speak. Oh, I think she likes it.
Today we have a projector light with water wave. Alright, so we got it set up here. And what we're going to do is show you the two options for mounting it.
You can screw in the ground stake and put it in the ground. So easy a monkey could do it.
So easy a monkey could do it.
Alright, and if you don't want that option, which I think is pretty cool because most of them I've seen are just in ground stakes, you can put that on. And you can actually mount it on a wall somehow.
Like this.
Or somewhere.
All you have to do is hold it on there until you decide to stop. Like this. You have to hold it on there until you have to hold it on.
And it's very easy to switch back and forth from one to the other.
Now let's talk about the remote. That looks like a phone.
Alright, so what can you do with this remote, Carter?
You could turn it to white. You could turn it to red.
But you left white on, so now it's red and white kind of makes pink. Now you turn the white off, now it's back to red.
Now.
So now you have red and green. So you can add one color at a time or multiple colors. Make it move faster, make it move slower, make it flash, all the different colors, the timer options, and then on off. Alright, so this is the Christmas one we have up here. Let's change the projector and see what other ones we have. Alright, which one's this one, Carter?
St. Patrick's Day. Ooh, I want to drink some root beer.
Oh, look at green root beer.
Aww. A lot of the discs are the same from the LED projector light by Next Gadget, but a few of them are different, like this one.
Yeah, this is a different one. It's a new one. Oh, what's this one? Like a Mardi Gras?
Maybe like a circus.
Let's try it with some. Let's try it with some blue. What about the red? Ooh, that looks nice. I like the red and the green together.
Yeah, it's cool.
Let's try the red and the blue. Oh, that's even better, actually.
Fun fact, the record for the largest projected image measures 543,125.39 square feet. The projection took place at Moscow State University in Russia in 2016.
Okay, so all the discs it comes with for the projector, you could do Halloween, Valentine's Day.
Let me see it. Looks like Easter, winter,
Another snowflakes, Christmas, winter,
maybe like
clowns,
playtime
or like a birthday party maybe. That's that weird shopping one that was in the
I
Thanksgiving,
celebrate,
fireworks for celebration.
And these two.
and the two new ones, which is St. Patrick's Day and the Christmas.
No, the one's in there still. The Mardi Gras one's still on the projector.
Yep.
So how many was that? 12? So if you have a good spot to mount it outside somewhere, you could pretty much leave it up year round and just change the little projectors that go with it, which would be kind of easy and cool.
There's so many possibilities of customizing, so that's why I like it.
You can
That's what I
choose
like.
whatever theme plus different color variations and everything.
Yep. I hope you enjoyed the video review. Now it's time for some outtakes. So,
What's the deal with this shirt?
I got it from a kids club on a cruise, and it's called a princess cruise.
Oh,
anything
so
about
that's why it says princess.
So it came like that with all those colors on it.
No, I
like someone colored it.
I used it on my picture.
You
And
what?
I didn't know I was that good at coloring at the
Well, I
time.
think they might have helped you.
Carter's a princess pelican.
She's messing with She's messing with the person who makes Vinny Corner. Remember Vinny Corner? Welcome to the dog field.
All right.
And what we're gonna do is show you the two options for mounting.
I said 2 different options of those, folks. Anti-disc establishment, anti-kisser, I don't know the word how it goes anymore.
And Sasha said it, and I don't even know what how the word goes anymore.
All right, come on. Stop copying now. Let's talk about
Come on,
this.
Let's stop copying now. Good one. Stop. They're doing it. The seeds. I mean, the Carter cornerstones. The seeds. Rest in peace, seeds. It's more about the Carter cornerstones now. It's like the seed's dead. The seed is dead. I'm a ghost. There's a ghost in the house.
Tell us about your fancy shirt here.
It's not fancy. I swear, it's not fancy.
Where'd you get it from?
I got it from nowhere, okay?
Nowhere.
Where'd you get it?
Tell us the story about your shirt.
Okay, a dinosaur came and gave me this shirt. That's my story.
Why does it say princess on your shirt?
Huh?
Are you a princess? Princess? Is there anything on the back? Oh, it says, I am a little princess. That's what it says, yeah. Yeah, it says it right there on the back. I am a little princess.
Seriously. I mean, we switch it around. And it's that.
I had a shirt like that when I was little. I made one, but it was from a different cruise line.
I had a hat, and it was from a different cruise line, but I colored it.
I had a t-shirt,
Okay.
but I wasn't the princess.
Me neither. I was royal.
Me too.
Yeah, because you probably went together before I was born. 'Cause
No.
we got married in
That's
2010.
when I was a kid. I was like 10 years old.
Yeah, little kids.
Then how come you
It wasn't the same.
They were just the same cruise line.
line.
Different cruises. I didn't know Mama back then.